So when Corona came, the biggest effect that it had on our industry was because we're involved in the construction sector, all construction sites were closed. And unfortunately, what this meant as architects, we felt the knock-on effect of that. Without sites being open, clients were reluctant to carry on with building. So we found ourselves in a situation where projects were not only being delayed, but being cancelled. And the effects of that was that because we have a construction and an architecture practice, we felt the effects from both sides, not only from a design point of view, but also from being on site. So a lot of the research that we did during the lockdown, we realized that there was actually a massive gap missing in the construction industry. It is one of the last remaining sectors worldwide that hasn't embraced data and digitization. So we see a strong link where we can introduce technology into the construction process. And the way we believe that we can do that is by taking construction offsite. And for us, that really means taking it into a laboratory type environment. And the reason why we like using the word laboratory is because we strongly believe that the laboratory allows us to control health and safety, time, efficiencies, material wastage, and control over budget. And added to that, the construction industry also contributes about 30% of global emissions. And we really believe that if we start breaking down elements of buildings to the point where we have control using technology, that we'd be able to actually reduce our carbon footprint when it comes to building by use of materials, and that will also be added into the idea of wastage, etc., etc. So we really believe that there is a strong argument to start looking at construction in an offsite scenario.